Good day, my wonderful learners. I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, quickly do that. Today, we want to consider solving quadratic equation using quadratic formula. And the formula for quadratic equation is minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we want to solve these two examples on this topic. Solve the following quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Number one, we have s squared plus 10s plus 21 is equals to 0. All what you need to do is to compare this equation given with the standard form of quadratic equation, which is as squared plus bs plus c is equals to 0. So by the time you compare these two equations together, you will discover that the coefficient of s squared here is 1. So therefore a is equals to 1. And the coefficient of s here is 10. b is equals to 10. And the constant value that represents c here is 21. So therefore c is equals to 21. Then you apply the formula. S is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then all what you need to do is to substitute the values of this constant into this formula. So we are going to have minus 10 plus or minus square root of 10 squared minus 4 into 1 into 21 over 2 into 1. Then we end up having minus 10 plus or minus 10 squared will give us 100. 4 times 1 times 21 will give us 84 over 2 times 1 will give us 2. So you have minus 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 84. 100 minus 84 will give us 16 over 2. Then you have minus 10 plus or minus square root of 16 will give us 4 over 2. So we end up having minus 10 plus 4 over 2 or minus 10 minus 4 over 2. Minus 10 plus 4 will give us minus 6 over 2 or minus 10 minus 4 will give us minus 14 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 3. So we have minus 3 or minus 7. These are the two possible values of s. Then question 2. We have 6s squared minus 5s plus 1 is equals to 0. So by the time we compare this with the standard form of quadratic equation, which is as squared plus bs plus c is equals to 0. So a here will be 6, b is minus 5 because the coefficient of s here is minus 5, and c is equals to 1. So we are going to apply the formula. We have s is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we end up having minus 6 plus or minus square root of our b there is minus 5. So we have minus 5 squared minus 4. Our a is 6 and our c is 1 over 2 into 6. So we are going to have minus times minus here, which will be plus. Plus or minus square root of minus 5 squared will give us 25. Minus 4 times 6 times 1, that will give us 24. Over 2 times 6, we are going to have 12. So we have 5 plus or minus 25 minus 24 will give us 1 over 12. And we end up having 5 plus or minus 1 over 12. So we are going to have 5 plus 1 over 12 or 5 minus 1 over 12. So we end up having 6 over 12 or 4 over 12. And this will give us 1 over 2 or 1 over 3. These are the two possible values of x. So I want you to try this and put your answer in the comment section. Simplify or probably solve the following using quadratic formula. Using quadratic formula. Number 1, we have s squared plus 11s plus 10 is equals to 0. Then we have 6y squared minus 17y plus 12 is equals to 0. Solve it and put your answers in the comment section.